So, good morning guys! Today's video, magagawa tayo ng empanada. Pero yung empanada natin, papasarapin pa natin. So, masarap na yung previous ko na ginawa when I was in Philippines. Ngayon, papasarapin natin ng empanada natin ngayon. So, ang mga ingredients na ating gagamitin sa ating paggawa ng empanada ay ito. So, okay guys. Before making the empanada, so gagawa muna tayo ng empanada dough. Kung paano ako gumawa ng empanada dough, ipapakita ko kung paano ako gumawa ng dough. So meron tayo dito flour. Yes, kailangan talaga natin ng flour. Gagamit tayo ng 2 cups of flour. So ngayon i-measure ko din siya kasi meron na ako measuring cup. Okay, wala nga lang ako nung cups talaga. Ito kasi nasa 1 kalahati. Ayan, so 1 kalahating cup. So maglalagay pa tayo ng kalahati. Dahan-dahan lang tayo na pibili ng mga gamit kasi kailangan din natin ng magpa-budget na kung ano ang mga bibili natin. So, meron na tayo dito na 2 cups. Ayan. Maglalagay din tayo ng... So, meron na ako dito na sugar. So, kailangan din natin na maglalagay ng sugar. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng 2 tablespoon ng sugar. Para magkakaroon lang ng alinamnam. And then, maglalagay tayo ng salt na half a teaspoon. Yan, estimate din lang yan. Kasi nga, ano lang naman yan siya. Okay. So, imimix muna natin to. Imimix natin siya para mag-mix talaga yung sugar at saka yung salt. So, gagamit tayo dito ng ating egg. Pero ang gagamitin natin egg is yung egg yolk lang. So, ngayon, tatanggalin natin yung egg white. Separate. So, andito na yung ating egg yolk. Yan. So, ito gagamitin natin ito mamaya. Okay? So, meron din tayong, gumamit ako ng butter. So, yung ating butter dito is melted butter. So, meron na tayong kailangan na 4 tablespoon of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so idadagdag na rin natin yan. Sayang naman. Okay. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng ng oil or olive oil. Kung saan ang dip nyo. Tapos, yan, inimix na natin siya. Tapos, kukuha tayo ng malamig na tubig. Kailangan talaga na malamig ang tubig nang ihahalo natin dito. Tapos, ang paglalagay natin is yung dahan-dahan lang. Kasi para hindi tayo mag-over sa tubig. Gagamitin natin ang kamay. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko siya dito. Para mas Lalagay naman tayo ulit ng konting water. Yan, ito, malapit nito siya. So, ito na yung consistency na hinahanap natin. Hindi siya mabasa, hindi siya malagkit, at saka tamang-tama talaga. Okay? So, ngayon, ilalagay ko ito sa fridge kasi nga, meron pa akong kulang na ingredients na bibilhin ko sa market. Kaya ang gagawin ko dito, so, ibabalutin natin siya ng cling wrap. Okay. So now ready na ito siya mamaya. So ilalagay ko na to sa fridge. So ngayon ipapakita ko ang mga ingredients ng ating filling. Yung filling. Kailangan may filling. So meron akong breast chicken at meron din akong beef. Ground beef. Minix na ito siya ng beef at saka pork. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito, iboboil ko lang ang breast chicken at titimplahan ko lang siya ng asin. Tapos shredded or yan na gaganyan-ganyanin ko siya. Tapos kasi grounded. Tapos igigisa ko lang siya sa bawang at saka sibuyas. Salt and pepper. Tama na yun. Okay. So ngayon, meron tayo ditong bell pepper, red and green. So i-chop ko lang ito siya ng cubes. Meron tayong carrots at saka patatas. Kasi ang empanada, kapag walang patatas at saka walang carrots, hindi talaga siya masarap. Tsaka meron na rin tayo na onions and garlic. At saka, titimplahan lang siya natin ng, meron ako doon sa loob ng fridge, meron ako doon na cream cheese. So, kailangan ko nang lalagyan ng cream cheese at saka mozzarella cheese. So, ibig sabihin, ang aking empanada ngayon ay pinapasarap pa. So, let's check it out later because magpupunta pa ako ng market kasi bibili pa ako ng mushroom at saka green peas. So, kailangan talaga na mas masarap yun kapag mayroong green peas at saka mushroom. Hindi makukumpleto ang aking empanada na pinasarap, na sinasabi kong pinasarap kung wala yung mga ingredients na yun. So, see you later guys! ingredients, guys. So this is all the ingredients for making my empanada filling. Empanada filling? Oh, yes. Siguro ganun nga. Okay. So meron tayo ditong, sisimulan natin dito. Beef and pork, ground beef and pork, shredded chicken. So it means it's already cooked. And I have a white pepper, salt, and garlic powder, and a little bit of cornstarch or flour. Why I use the flour, cornstarch, para hindi siya mag-watery yung paglalagay mo doon sa paggagawa mo ng filling, paglalagay mo doon sa dough. So hindi siya magkakaroon ng matubig. So iwasan natin yung matubig para hindi maganda siya. Okay? So now meron ako ditong garlic, onions, red and green bell pepper. And meron ako ditong cubes na patatas, potato, carrots, button mushroom, and of course, my green peas. Yan talaga ang kinuha ko doon sa market. So, meron tayo ditong mozzarella cheese and cream cheese. So, sa sisimula pa, sinasabi ko na talaga na ang gagawin ko na empanada ay papasarapin talaga natin siya. So, nag-a-add ako ng iba't ibang ingredients na para lalong sumarap ang ating empanada. So, ayan ang lahat ng aking ingredients. So, sisimulan na natin magluluto ng ating ground meat. So, let's go outside because I always cook outside. So, we start adding oil. Okay, so the garlic is already golden brown. We follow the onions. Our meat. So, isusunod natin yung ating white pepper or white pepper or any pepper that you have in the house. Salt, garlic powder. Okay. Okay, so we are going to add thyme. Dagdag ano din ito. Dagdag aroma ng ating empanada. So when you are going to saute your meat, you have to add your thyme. So smelling so good. Okay, so now we are going to start adding the potato. Okay, so we add carrots. Add the mushroom. Mix. This one is okay. So we are going to add the bell pepper. Yes. Add the shredded chicken. The green peas. So we are going to mix. Okay. So it's a lot. It's a lot, guys. So I need to add a little bit of flour. And mix. So they are going to stick to each other. Look at that. Smells so good. Okay, so we off the fire and we need to make it cool down first before making our empanada in a dough. So this one, look at that. As you can see, guys, it's very good. And now, so we are going to add the cheese. Okay, we need to take all because it's very pricey, this one. We don't want to waste. And we are going to add the mozzarella. So it's a lot of cheese. So now we're going to go inside. It's too heavy. Wait. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it's a lot. But don't worry because you can put this one in a fridge or in a freezer, and then if you want to cook empanada, so you have it already, the filling. Okay? So we need to mix this one, guys. now. They stick to each other because of the mozzarella. And so we're going to taste this one. Wow. Wow. If you really have a budget of making empanada, you have to try this one, what I did, because it's really worth it. It's so delicious. Okay, it's very good. Wow. Sorry for that. Okay. We'll try. It's not so big. As you can see, it's round. You have to do like this. And then okay. Okay, so we need to get the pork. So if you are going to get the pork, you have to do this one in the side. Okay. Okay. So look at that. What do you think? And then after, you have to do like this so they can exist. Look at it. I'm going to show you how. Okay, so this is my finished product of my empanada. So we are going to do the same procedure what I make. do is this way. Take out the and the other side. Add the filling. Overlap like this. Okay. It takes time to make the empanada, guys, but it's worth it to eat. Okay. Then do it this way. Do it this way. And then you have to do like this. So you have, look at, it's another one. So do the same this one, guys, until it's done. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have all this, and then I still have plenty of fillings. So I need to put this one in the box, and then save this one in the freezer. So if I need to make it again, I can do it again without making another one. And now, so ready for frying, deep frying. So this is my empanada. I think it's hot. Okay. I have a very small. I think this is the only one that I can use it. Just to save. So you have to split it up. Okay. Yeah. You have plenty of lights. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It is pretty, yeah? Hot. So we're going to make a plating here from the garden. So we need to close this one later. If it's not enough for Bob, I need to fry it again. Okay, so that's one. So I need you to come with me because I need to plate in this one. Look at that. It's very crunchy, guys. So hot. Look at that, my empanada. See how beautiful. So now, guys, we are going to taste my pinasarap na empanada. Look at that, babe.
Wow, very nice.
Yes, that's my empanada. What do you think, babe?
I think it's very nice.
Yeah? So we'll taste this one. So we are going to eat here.
Okay.
Because just put in this one. Oh. Look at that.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. So I need to get the drinks. Huh? It's still hot. Yeah?
Very hot.
But it's still very hot.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to get the drinks. What drinks you like?
Soda?
Okay.
All made by hand. Handmade. Lynn. She's a fantastic cook.
And then we have Fanta, but this is a strawberry, and then we have EW. This is I like it. Which one you like?
I take this one, you like to.
Okay. So now, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. Cheers. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to taste our empanada.
First bite goes to you.
It's very hot, huh? What can you say about the
It's very good. Nice, crispy,
crispy?
tasty.
Wow. I have very small because when the dough is getting smaller, so I have a very small. What taste this one?
Very good.
Oh, wow.
Very good, man.
The dough is very good.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Dough.
The
Stuff
filling,
inside,
yeah.
filling. Very good. Very tasty.
Wow. Mm. I think this one is perfectly done.
Yes,
Mm.
I agree. You can't get this stuff in the restaurant.
Mm.
Only homemade.
Yeah. Mm.
Very good. That's all right, Ma. Let it go, Ma.
Mm.
Very good.
I love it. Mm. Meruda.
Very good, man.
Mm. So this is our lunch, the empanada. Mm. Wow. I cannot say anything. The crispy,
Mhm.
the stuff that I added inside, the filling.
Very
Wow.
good.
Wow.
Something different.
Yeah. The color is golden brown.
Mhm.
Wow. Alright. The cheese on it.
Mhm.
Wow. Very good. Mm.
Could sit here all day, eat these.
Hmm?
Could sit here all day and eat these. Snack.
Yeah.
Very good. I think you outdid yourself.
Uh-huh.
I think you did very well.
Yeah, I did this one very good.